How to filter hidden words on threads so they won't appear in your feed or comments. This tutorial will show you exactly how to use the Threads Hidden Words feature. First, open the Threads app and tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Content Preferences. Now tap Hidden Words. Here, you can enable the option to hide common offensive words by turning on the switch at the top. To filter your own keywords, tap New Filter. Enter a name for your filter, then choose whether you want to hide these words from everyone or only from profiles you don't follow. You can also choose whether the filter stays active or only for 30 days. After that, tap Add Words. Type the words or phrases you want to hide, separating each one with a comma. Then tap Done. Finally, tap Save to create your custom hidden words filter. That's it. From now on, posts containing those filtered words will be hidden from your Threads experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy Threads tutorials.